Hi, young guys. Yesterday I said complex numbers part 1 and today is complex number part 2. Complex numbers is very important in the JEE mains and advanced also. What is a complex number? Yesterday I said I gave some examples also. Now continuation part. Now yesterday I said some topics. Iota means I. Powers of I, that is I power 1 I square minus 1 I cube minus I to the power of 4 1. Already I said iota. I gave properties, powers of the iota. So I power 4n what? I power 4n is what? Plus 1 is equal what? I power 4n plus 2. I power 4n plus 3. What is the values of this one? 1. I power 1. I power 2. I power 3. Here what is this 1? So I power 1. I power 2. I power 3. I power 1 means what? I only. I square means minus 1. I cube means minus I. So already discussed iota. Now continuation part of the complex numbers 2. That is, today we will discuss main topic multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Of Z. Yesterday I said additive inverse. Now we discussed about the multiplicative inverse. Simply that is 1 by Z. 1 by Z. Explanation for multiplicative inverse. Explanation for multiplicative inverse. 1 by Z is equal what? 1 by A plus IB. 1 by A plus IB. 1 by Z is equal 1 by A plus IB. Please listen all of you. The complex numbers are in the denominator. You should be apply rationalization. Please listen, very important. Total complex numbers. If it in the denominator, you should apply rationalization. Rationalization means multiplying and dividing with A minus IB. Why? Here plus, you should multiply with A minus IB by A plus IB. Please, 1 into A minus IB. A minus IB. A plus IB into A minus IB. A square plus B square. So split the terms. A by A square plus B square minus IB by A square plus B square. This is a real part. This is a real part. This is imaginary part. Total, this is a multiplicative inverse. Very important. Yesterday I said additive inverse. Today discuss about the multiplicative inverse. I give one example. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse of. Find the multiplicative inverse of Z is equal to 3 plus 5i. 3 plus 5i. 3 is real part. 5 is imaginary part. Total is called complex number. Now, multiplicative inverse means 1 by z. This is your question. Find the multiplicative inverse means 1 by z. 1 by z what is given is 3 plus 4, 5y. 3 plus 5y. You should apply the rationalization method. You should apply the rationalization method. Multiply and dividing with 3 minus 5y by 3 minus 5y. Y given is plus, you should multiply minus. So 3 minus 5y by a plus ib into a minus ib. A square 3 square plus b square 5 square. Total 3 minus 5y by 9 plus 25. 9 plus 25. 3 square means 3 into 3. 5 square means 5 into 5. So using this concept, 9 plus 25. Total answer is 34. That is 1 by z. This is also written as 3 by 34 minus 5 by 34 into I. 3 by 24 minus 5 by 34. This is a real part and imaginary part. This is called multiplicative inverse. This is called multiplicative inverse. Very, very important and also very easy. This is the procedure. I give the shortcut. Simple. What is the answer? Question is 3 plus 4i. Answer is simple. 3 minus 4i by. Given question is plus. You should write minus. 3 square what? 9 plus 25. You should add these numbers. 34. Answer is over. Understood or not? Again I tell. Given question is 3 plus 5i. Ask the question is multiplication inverse. Shortcut is 3 plus 5i. You should write minus 3 minus 5i by 3 square plus 5 square. That is equal to how much? 34. Simple way. Okay. This is the multiplicative inverse method. Find the multiplicative inverse of. Find the multiplicative inverse of. Multiplicative inverse of. Inverse of z is equal to 3, 4. Listen all of you. Z is equal to what? 3, 4. It is also written as 3 plus 4i. Answer is 1 by z. Is equal to shortcut 3 minus 4i by 3 square plus 4 square. 9, 16, 25. Answer is over. All of you listen. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. You should add these two numbers, 25. You should write denominator 25. It's a multiple inverse. Another question. Another example. Tell me z is equal to sin theta plus I cos theta. I want 1 by z. Tell me, simple. You change minus sin theta minus I cos theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is a trigonometry value is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay na? Listen again. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. The answer is sin theta minus I cos theta by 1. Okay? Multiplicative inverse is over. Using this process, very important. Now fourth roots of unity. Roots of unity. Very unity. fourth roots of unity. Very, very important. What is just fourth means 4. Root means fourth roots of unity means 1. That is, let x is equal. Listen again. Listen again. Fourth means fourth root of unity means 1. That is equal to x. X is equal to 1 power 1 by 4. You raising the fourth order, fourth degree. So x power 4 is equal to 1. You raising fourth order. So x power 4 is equal to 1. Now x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. X power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is also written as x square whole square minus 1 square whole square is equal to 0. A square minus b square formula apply. A plus b into a minus b. X square minus 1 into x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So factors are x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now boys and girls, listen. X square minus 1 is equal to 0 or x square plus 1 is equal to 0. X square is equal to what? 1. X square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1. Listen. Or x square is equal to minus 1. Using this one. X is equal to what? Plus or root of 1. X square is equal to plus or root of minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus I. Why? Already I said iota means root of minus 1. So root of minus 1 value is I only. Total roots are solutions are x is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. These all are the solutions of the given equation. That is the fourth roots of unity. 4 roots are there. X is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to I, x is equal to minus I. These all are the fourth roots of unity. Okay. So please listen. Here x power 4 is equal to 1. X power 4 is equal to 1. You take x value 1. 1 power 4 1. I power 4 1. So please note this point. I power 4 is 1. Please listen and very, very important problem. Listen. Very, very important. I power 4 is equal to 1. Fourth roots of unity is over. Now, sum of fourth roots of unity. Sum of fourth roots of unity. Tell me. 1 plus minus 1 I plus minus I is equal to this and this gets cancelled. I and minus I gets cancelled. Answer is 0. Why? Sum of fourth roots of unity is 0. Product of fourth roots of unity. Fourth roots of unity is, tell me, 1 into minus 1 into I into minus I, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1 into I into I square is what? Minus 1. So answer is minus 1 only. Sum is 0, product is minus 1. Very, very important in the mains question also. Okay. Next one, today's main topic is cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. roots of unity. Please listen. Cube. Roots of unity 1. Take, this is x. Fourth roots of unity means fourth root of 1. Cube roots of unity means cube root of 1. Fifth roots of unity means fifth root of 1. Sixth roots of unity is sixth root of 1. Now we will discuss about the fourth cube roots of unity. Okay, na? Cube roots of. Now this is also written as 1 power 1 by 3. Cubing on both sides, x cube is equal to 1. This is also written as x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. X cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. Since formula based a cube minus b cube is equal to, please listen, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Using this principle, a means x, b means 1. Apply this one. A minus b, a means x, x minus 1 into x square plus x into 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. One solution is 1. One solution is 1. Next one is x square plus 1. X square plus 1 is very important. Please listen. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Please apply the factor, apply the formula method. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c0. A is 1, b is 1, c is 1. Formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Please apply these values in this formula. Minus 1 plus or minus root of b square. 1 square minus 4 into a into c. 1 by total 2 into a. Minus 1 plus or root of 1 minus 4 by 2. 1 minus 4 by 2. Minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 3 by 2. Minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Why? Already yesterday we discussed root of minus 3 means I root 3. Root of minus 2 means I root 2. So using this principle I root 3. So please listen. Take x value minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 and other one is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. In the other name is x is omega, other is omega square. W is called as in the mathematics omega and other one is omega square. One solution is 1, other solutions are omega and omega square. Omega value is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Very, very important in JEE mains questions. Very, very important. X is equal to cube root of 1. X is equal to 1 power 1 by 3. Cubing on both sides. X cube minus 1 0. You will apply the factorization method or a cube minus b cube formula. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 0. X minus 1 0. X is equal to 1. One solution is over. You will find the other two solutions using formula method. It is a quadratic equation. You apply the formula method. Now total values are what to? Please tell. One is solutions are x is 1. This is 1. Other is omega, that is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. You should remember this always. Is always not x is equal to omega square minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. This is also remember compulsory. Total 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. That is very important property. Note 1, Note 2, Note 3, very very important in your JEE Mains examination. One plus omega square is equal what? 1 plus omega means minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. LCM is what? 2. 2 ones are 2. Minus 1 minus plus I root 3. Minus 1 minus I root 3. Please 2 minus 1 minus 1. Both these three cancel. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Plus 2 both are cancelled. Plus I root 3 minus I root 3 cancel. 0 by 2. Answer is 0. Main property is 1 plus omega square is 0. 1 plus omega square is 0. It is a one property for cube roots of unity. Second property. Cubing on both sides x cube is equal 1. So omega cube is 1. Third, second property. This is the first property 1. Property 1. Second one is second property. Second property. Omega cube is 1. Why? Already x is 1 cubing on both sides. Already x is 1 cubing on both sides. We get 1. Okay, omega cube is 1. And third property and already third property. Tell me, product of cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity is what? Tell me, 1 into omega square. Omega cube only, that is equal to omega cube, that is equal to 1. 1 into omega square. You should add 1 and 2, that is a omega cube is equal to 1. Bases are equal, power should be added, then we will get omega cube is equal to 1 only. Product. Now, already I said, sum of the next note property 4. Sum of cube roots of unity. Sum of cube roots of unity, that is 1 plus omega square is equal to already what? That is 0 only. Okay. Total 4 properties for cube roots of unity. Please tell. First one is 1 plus omega square 0 and also called sum of the cube roots of unity. Second one is omega cube is 1. Third one is product of cube roots of unity is 1. Okay. This is very important for every examination, not only one exam. Bunches of exams, bunches of competitive exams are very important. Very, very, very important. Today discuss what? Multiplicative universal. Second what? Nth roots of unity. Fourth roots of unity. Third one is cube root of unity. Remaining. Okay. Discuss about the some examples. Omega power 102 is equal to how much? Some examples. Always listen some property. Omega power 3n. Omega power 3n plus 1. Omega power 3n plus 2. This is the main property. Check first one. Checking. Omega power 1. Omega, right. Omega square. Omega square. Right. Second one. Omega cube. 1. Now, omega power, this one part is over. Next second part. Next third part. After nth part. First part. Second part. And last nth part. Now, omega power 4 can be written as omega cube into omega. Omega cube is what? 1. 1 into omega. Omega. Over. Okay. Omega power 5. Omega cube into omega square. 1 into omega square. Omega square. Omega power 6. Omega cube into omega cube is equal 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay, please listen. First and fourth. This is same. This is same. This is same. And same. And same. So, if remainder is 3, this 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 3. So, 3n. 3n plus 1 what? Omega power 1. Omega power 2. Omega power 1 only this is. 3 multiples boy. Omega power 3, omega power 6, omega power 9, omega power 12, all multiples of 3 cube, omega power all multiple of 3 is again 1 only. So every multiple of 3, omega power 3n is 1, omega square. Now, what is the value of omega power 1 not 2? Now, what is the value of omega power 1 not 2? Tell. Now, always dividing with 3 only. 3 only. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Now remainder is 12. 3 4s are 12. Remainder is what? 0. So perfectly divisible. The answer is omega power 1 not 2 is 1 only. If it is perfectly divisible, so if it is multiple of 3, because this is the 1 not 2 is the multiple of 3 factor, so 1 only. If it is a factor is 0, remainder is 0, it is a factor, so it is a 1 only. If so, answer is what? The answer is 1. Now similarly, what is the value of 2 omega power 235? How much? Tell me. Simple. Always dividing with 3 only. Why dividing with 3? Omega cube is 1. It is repeated 3 times only. 3. 3 7s are 21. Remainder is 15. No, sorry. 3 minus 1, 2 and 5. 3 8s are 24. Remainder is 1. Okay. The remainder is 1. If remainder is 1, what omega? The answer is also omega only. Just you learn divisions, simply you will got more marks. Just simple division only. Now cube roots of unity and its powers is over. Fourth roots of unity and its also completed. Suppose I power 1 not 2. If I power 4 what? 1. You should divide it with 4 only always. Because I power 4 1. So 1 not 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 2. 4 5s are 20. So remainder 2. Just you should write I remainder only. I square is what? Minus 1. Okay, this is the main problems of the cube roots of unity and fourth roots of unity. Next one. I gave some examples. Omega power 102, omega power 103, omega power 104 is equal to what? Omega power 205, omega power 206, omega power 207, so on. Simple. Omega power 101 what? 2 dividing with 3, 3 3s are 9, 2, 1, 3 4s are 12. It is perfectly divisible. The value is 1. 1 or 2 remainder is what? 3, 3 3s are 9, 12, 3 4s are, sorry 3 is 3, 3, 3 4s are 12, remainder 1, omega power 1. Next omega power 2, 1 plus omega plus omega square 0, 0. So if any continuation 3 numbers, then that value becomes 0 only. Okay. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet third complex numbers part. Thank you, thank you, thank you.